Introducing Australian-made Mondella and Estilo shower bases and tile over wall niches. Manufactured in Melbourne, Australia by Composite Materials Engineering, the new shower bases are stain resistant and meet all Australian standards. Also, as an Australian-made product, there are no long lead times. We manufacture everything from the raw materials to moulding the products. Even the packaging is Australian-made. All material is tested by our on-site laboratory before it is approved for moulding to ensure only the best quality materials using advanced manufacturing techniques are used to produce the shower bases for bunnings under the home brand of Estilo and Mondella. Estilo and Mondella shower bases, now manufactured in Australia to the highest possible quality standards and the highest possible Australian standards. Your local representative will be through the stores. If you need any information on INs or technical information, please contact us.